Okay, hi, I'm Franca Richard, president of Winchester ABC, and this year we're sponsoring a fundraiser to support Winchester ABC that's going to be auctioning off 17 painted dogs. The dogs are sponsored by 17 Winchester businesses and painted by 17 Winchester artists. All the proceeds will go to ABC Winchester, which is privately funded, completely privately funded. And the auction date is November 10th, where the dogs will be auctioned off. And we hope that we see everybody from Winchester there. And in the meantime, we have ballots that can be picked up at bookends in Winchester. We'd love for everyone to vote for their favorite dog. The names and the locations of each dog is on the back.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's soft.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Oh, really?
They have different colors.
What do you think of this one's name, Bird Dog?
It's cool. They're really cool and artistic. The colors are really vibrant.